Hello friends, today we will discuss about few conditions where there is patches seen on face. There will be patches on face. First we will study about melasma. It is a condition in which brown patches appear on the face. It can be due to hormonal changes during pregnancy or it can be due to sun exposure. Women are more likely to develop this condition. In this, there is brown patch usually on cheek or nose, most commonly seen in females. It can be associated with increased exposure to sun. It can be associated with increased intake of OCPs and it is seen in pregnancy. If this brown patch is present on pregnant woman, it is called as chloasma. It is photosensitive. Main pathology involved in this condition is stimulated melanocyte. There is stimulation of melanocyte. Melasma is chronic condition, whereas chloasma is self-resolving. What is the treatment for this melasma? Treatment is wearing sunscreen. We can prescribe tyrosinase inhibitors like hydroquinone. This is the gold standard treatment. And we can prescribe topical steroids. This will suppress the melanocyte. There is something called as Kligman regimen. This is to treat the melasma. And this is the drug of choice in case of melasma. What is this regimen? It includes topical steroid and topical retinoid and topical hydroquinone. This is Kligman regimen. It includes topical steroid, retinoid and hydroquinone. One of the differential diagnoses for this melasma is SLE. That is skin manifestation in SLE. There is red color and butterfly shaped rashes are seen on face. Rashes are brown in color in melasma, whereas red in color in SLE. This is persistent erythematous rash. It is persistent erythematous rash, that is, it is seen throughout day and it is also photosensitive. Next, we will study about one more condition, that is rosacea. Here also there is red patches seen on face. It is seen in both males and females. Along with redness, there is presence of telangiectasia. And what is the difference between rosacea and SLE? In SLE, it is persistent erythematous rash, whereas in rosacea, this redness is transient. It is not persistent. And flushing is seen. What are the triggers for this rosacea? It can be due to alcohol. It can be due to hot spicy food. It can be due to exposure to sun. It can be due to Demodex mite. It can be due to hot or cold water bath. These are the triggers for rosacea. There are 3 stages in rosacea. First stage is there is flushing and telangiectasia. Whereas in second stage, there is development of papules and pustules. In third stage, there is formation of rhinopyma, that is potato nose. So what is the treatment for this rosacea? We can prescribe oral antibiotics. Like we can prescribe doxycycline or minocycline or azithromycin as it is anti-inflammatory. We can prescribe topical antibiotics also like metronidazole. In this rosacea, topical steroids are contraindicated because it will cause telangiectasia. So it will worsen the condition. Topical steroids are contraindicated because it will worsen the condition. This rosacea is also a chronic condition. It takes longer duration to recover. The treatment of this rosacea depends on the stages. In stage 1, we can prescribe topical vasoconstrictor like topical brimonidine. In stage 1, there is telangiectasia and flushing. So we can prescribe topical brimonidine. It will cause vasoconstriction. In stage 2, we can prescribe oral antibiotics and topical antibiotics like metronidazole. In third stage, there is rhinopyma formation. This is a stage of nasal involvement. We can prescribe isotretinoin. So in this session, I have discussed about pigmentation over face like rosacea, melasma, chloasma and in SLE. If you like this video, please click like button and share this video to your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.